The Cidan Pro Z folding machine is the perfect solution for complex folding tasks, offering unmatched precision, efficiency, and flexibility. Let's explore its key features. Unlike traditional machines, the Pro Z operates with electric drives, eliminating the need for hydraulics. This results in quieter, cleaner, and more reliable performance. The Pro Z's up and down bending capabilities eliminate the need to flip materials, saving time and reducing labor, especially on complex profiles. Large parts? No problem. With a vacuum system for semi-automation, a single operator can handle even the most challenging projects with ease and efficiency. The bending center and folding beam adjustment ensure perfect settings for every material thickness, delivering precision and consistency every time. The eccentric upper beam movement is a game changer. No spindles. The Pro Z is designed with operator safety in mind, featuring an advanced safety scanner light system that emits a barrier in front of the folding beam. With gauging options at the folding beam or backstop fingers, you gain added flexibility to tailor the machine to your specific needs. The automatic crowning system for the folding beam ensures flawless results by compensating for material deflection, even on challenging profiles. The modular back gauge system offers various configurations to suit your production workflow, making it adaptable for any project. Tool changes are quick and effortless with the automatic tool clamping system for both the upper and folding beams, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. Segmented tools offer maximum versatility, allowing you to handle a wide variety of folding tasks with precision and ease.